Zero. That is the total number of books I've read in the entirety of 2024. Zero books. I love the idea of reading books. It's a great hobby and probably the best way to improve yourself. But the challenge is I'm never able to finish a book. Why? Because बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं करने को यार. Badminton, playing games, hanging out with friends. Heck, I would rather write some machine learning code than flip through some pages on a book. Recently, everything changed for two major reasons. First, I want to level up in all areas of my life, and that is actually the major reason I made this YouTube channel. Plus, I've read a few books in the past, and I just know they are a powerful way to improve yourself. The second reason is a more personal one. So, on my birthday, which is 20th of August, if you guys are wondering, my father gifted me a book, and I want to honor it by actually completing it this time. So here's the plan. To kickstart my journey, I'm challenging myself and you to read one book every month in 2025. I personally will start with smaller, lighter books to ease into the habit and then work my way as time goes on. I'll have my set of books that I'll read and recommend to you now. You can either follow along or create your own list. It's totally up to you. देखो, goal is very simple. हम लोगों को reading की habit बनानी है by the end of 2025. Go. Okay, so here's how it will go. I'll be starting off with the book that my father gave me, Don't Believe Everything You Think. This book goes into the root cause of all psychological and emotional suffering and tells us about how we can end it. It also tells us about how you can achieve your inner wisdom. We'll all be having beards after this month. Around 150 pages की book है, including the preface, and I think it's a good read. You should definitely add this to your list if you want to know the root cause of your psychological and emotional suffering. Also, if you want an update video by the end of the month on this book and all the other books that I'll tell you, do comment that down below. Then for the month of February, I'll be reading something that I've already read. It's called The Courage to be Disliked. This book really spoke to me. This is a very great book. It's basically a conversation between a philosopher and a student. Student tells a philosopher कि वो कैसे जीता है अपनी life को and how he looks at things. और जो philosopher होता है वो अपना idea share करता है student के साथ. It's a very great book. Now I'll be rereading this, and this book is slightly larger than our January's pick at around 300 pages. But if you haven't read this book, I'd highly recommend you to read it at least once in your life. So, March की pick है. It's a free choice month. I will probably pick a book from the Percy Jackson series. मैंने वो पहले पढ़ी हुई है पूरी series. In fact, I have all the books in that series. And it also has some movies, but it's not really that great, so I'd say book ही पढ़ लो. It's much better. For April, we'll be reading Tao Te Ching by Lao Tzu. मैंने बहुत बुचर करा है. मैं सेकेंड वीडियो में ही कैंसिल होने वाला हूँ. Now, PewDiePie actually recommended this book in his last video, and according to him, this book beautifully simplifies ancient wisdom into digestible passages. So इस book में कुछ passages हैं जो कि वो बार बार revisit करना पसंद करता है. It sounds like a perfect addition to the list, and I'll be reading it. If you want to read something else, feel free to do that. For May, we'll be reading some Stoicism, Discourses and Selected Writings, Epictetus. Basically, Epictetus was a Greek philosopher who also had a philosophy school, and वो अपनी teachings about Stoicism, about the Stoic philosophy, इस book के through present करता है. So if you're anything like me and are interested in Stoic philosophy or Stoicism in general, this is the book that you need to add to your list right now. I'll keep you guys updated and मैं एक part 2 बनाऊंगा इसका if everything goes well after May. And who knows, maybe मैं तुम लोगों की कुछ recommendation पढ़ लूँ.